Hello everyone. Today, we'll show you how to deploy a custom PHP website from your Git repository with xCloud hosting. Let's get started. First, log into your xCloud dashboard. Then click on the New Site button, choose your server, and hit the Next button. Next, go to the Custom PHP tab from the dashboard menu. Click on Clone a Git repository to begin creating your custom PHP site. Then, choose your destination server. You can either stick with the default or select another from the drop-down. Click the Next button. Add your source site URL, and if you're migrating to a new domain, you can set that here too. For this tutorial, we'll use a demo site on a staging domain. Select that and then click Next. Now, it's time to configure your site settings. Choose your PHP version, set your site users, and most importantly, define the web root, the folder that contains your index.php file. If your files are inside a folder like the public HTML file, make sure to update the web root to that folder. Now you can create a new database, add your existing database, and you can proceed without creating a database. Here, we are going with the Create Database in Server option. Once you click on it, your database creating process will be started and you will get the database credentials. You can copy them to use them further and click on the Next button. Add your Git repository URL and branch. To access the Git URL and branch name, go to your Git repository and click on the drop-down button of the Code button. From here, go to the SSH tab and copy the URL of the Git repository. Then, find the branch name and go back to the xCloud dashboard. Here, enter the copied URL and branch name in the dedicated fields. Scroll down a little bit and copy the below public key and go to the Git dashboard. From here, go to the Settings tab from the navigation menu. Next, find Deploy Keys on the right sidebar. Now, click on the Add Deploy Key button. Then give a title of the key and paste the copied code into the key field and hit on the Add Key button. Back in xCloud, click Next, then hit Start to begin the deployment. You'll see a progress bar as your site is migrated. Once it's done, you'll be redirected to your site dashboard. And just like that, your custom PHP site is live. And that's how easy it is to deploy custom PHP apps using xCloud from your Git repository. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Happy hosting!